Hi guys, I'm Risa and welcome back to another video on Stir Taste Digest. So happy that you're here. You're gonna want to check this one out. Crunchy, delicious oven fried chicken in some honey butter sauce. Super simple, but guys, so crunchy, and you don't have to deal with all the oil and the spill and all of them good stuff. So let me just walk you through how I get these chicken looking so delicious and crunchy. The first thing I did was to wash these chicken wings in some lemon water. So simple, just lime and water and we're all good. Next, I'm going to season this with some cayenne. If cayenne is too strong or too spicy for you, you can use chili powder. And if you want to take it up a notch from cayenne, you can use some Scotch bonnet, of course. Next, I'm going to add some fish sauce. I absolutely love fish sauce on chicken. It gives it that nice umami flavor that I love. And this is some mixed seasoning that I have. And finally, I'm adding some buttermilk. Once everything is combined, I seal the bag and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for the next day because I want the seasoning to soak. Jamaicans say it's seasoned to the bone. So guys, this is what it looks like. It has been sitting at the bottom of the refrigerator for a day and I'm ready to put these in the oven, get them prepared for dinner. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make the breading. I'm using 1 cup all-purpose flour, and this is about 2 tablespoons baking powder and 1 cup cornstarch. To that I'm adding black pepper, salt, and then I'm adding some of this maple, what's this, smokehouse maple seasoning. I love the smoky vibe that it has. Mix everything in. And now it's time to drench the chicken wings with this flour mixture. And I'm going to do this for the entire batch of the chicken wings. We have a nice little setup and the chicken is ready to go in the oven. But first, let me spray some oil on the surface of the chicken. When I add chicken to the air fryer, I do this technique and I notice that the chicken comes out very crispy. And so I think it will work in the oven as well. So just give me a minute to just, ensure that every surface is covered. Oven is ready. It's at 400 and I'm gonna roast these for 45 minutes. Guys, 45 minutes. This is what it looks like. They are firm, they feel crunchy. Yes. So while the chicken is on the rack just cooling, let me just quickly make the honey butter sauce. This sauce is fast, quick, and in a hurry. We just need 3 ingredients. So we have the butter melted and I'm adding some honey. I don't know how much that is, but if you like it sweet, add a lot. If you don't, just be moderate. And then I'm adding some salt to bring out the flavors in that sweetness. Once it looks like this and start bubbling, then we know it's ready. We know it's ready to just sprinkle over that fried chicken that we just took from the oven. So guys, just do this generously because you want to ensure that all the chicken wings are coated. Yeah, man. Just like that. And to top things off, we garnish with some chopped parsley. Guys, this recipe is finished and I can tell you something. These chicken were seasoned to the bone. Sometimes we have to allow our chicken to just marinate for a few hours and we enjoy better bites. So guys, this is it for Stir Taste Digest today. Remember, if you're new here, to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you'll know when I post videos. These videos are promised to be interesting. And guys, just a little close up of what we just did. There it is, a masterpiece. So you can get crispy chicken in the oven. Don't worry, just follow these techniques and I'll see you soon. What good. Peace.